My name is Andres Mendizabal from class 2021. My code is 21120. In this video, I'm going to talk about the article called Impulsive Minds Are Primed for Drug Addiction, made by Ed Young for National Geographic. In this article talks about how people who have problems with being impulsive are more likely to have problems with drug addiction. This is a study made by various universities using animals and analyzing the way the brain works within them. The first study was made with rats, where they separate two groups of rats, the rats with impulsive problems and the non-impulsive group. To separate these groups, the university made a system in which rats needed to press a button in order for them to receive food. The rats who pressed the button first were the group that is known as the impulsive group. So they studied how the brain of these rats worked, and the problem with the impulsive rats were that they have less receptors of D2 and D3 hormones. These are the hormones responsible for feeling impulsive and taking decisions in our brain. This is found in the prefrontal cortex, and it helps suppress the basic urges of essential and social behavior. So these rats both groups of rats were exposed to cocaine, that it's a level A drug, that it's very addictive. In this study, it was found that the rats that were from the impulsive group had a tendency of having drug addiction because they lacked the D2 and D3 receptors in their brains. Another study made by a different university was made with monkeys, where they were separated with D2 and D3 lack of receptors, which is also the impulsive group and the non-impulsive group. And the same results were shown, where the group that is impulsive had more problem with cocaine, and in monkeys, the problem with cocaine was that this drug destroyed the receptors on their brain. This is very interesting because this explains how drug addiction can affect in a neurological way on the brain, and how a social problem like a drug addiction can be explained based on scientific facts. In my opinion, this video is very interesting because there are many other drugs, not class A drugs like cocaine or methamphetamine, but also like nicotine and alcohol, that are drugs that are more normal, but they are equally addictive. And in my opinion, many of the problems found with people that have problem with drugs are not only because of their behavior or how people are used to having this problem, but also the way the brain is designed to work and how it will work with the drugs.